Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing this Microsoft Xbox 360 compatible controller. On the front of the box, we can see the controller itself through this clear plastic molded packaging. On top, we can see some Microsoft branding, and on the bottom, we can see some Xbox 360 Windows and Microsoft branding. On the right hand side and on the left hand side, we have images of the controller and Xbox 360 branding, and it's the same on the top as well. On the bottom, we have a chart of the system requirements that are needed to use this controller. On the back, we have a few descriptions in a few languages. Let's start with the description on top. It says here that this is precisely what you need for PC and Xbox gaming. Underneath that, we have a description that says play in comfort, as the design is compact and the shape is ergonomic, which allows you to play in comfort for hours. It also allows you to feel the action thanks to vibration feedback, and it has precise thumbsticks and 2 pressure point triggers. It also has an 8-way directional pad to help you stay in control. That's about it on the outside of the packaging, so let's get into it now. Inside the box, all you get is the controller. We can see that it has a matte black finish all across the product. It also has a rubberized finish on the dual analog sticks, which gives it a nice grip while moving it around. There is a shiny finish on the 8-way D-pad, and that is pretty tactile when it comes to the buttons. The A, B, and XY button are on the right hand side, and those two are quite tactile and have a satisfying feel to them. Right in the middle, we have the Xbox button, which has an LED light around it, which is not lit right now. When connected to a PC or an Xbox, it will show you what number controller you are. And on each side of the Xbox button, we have the back button on the left and the start button on the right. Coming to the top, we have the Xbox 360 branding right in the middle, the L1, R1, and L2, R2 buttons, which are of course called LB, RB, and LT and RT buttons on an Xbox controller. The triggers seem to be quite springy, and the RB and LB buttons have a audible click to them. There is a shiny finish all across the buttons and the triggers, and the shiny finish is on the bottom as well. When it comes to the cable, we can see that it has a approximately 2-meter long cable. And it has a USB Type A interface. To get started with using the controller, we will be connecting it to a laptop. The device has a plug and play functionality, so when you connect it to a compatible device, it will automatically install all the drivers. Since this is the only controller that has been plugged into the laptop, we can see that we are controller number 1. Similarly, if more than one is connected to the computer or an Xbox device, it will show up on each side: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this was the unboxing of a Microsoft Xbox 360 compatible controller. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.